Before getting started with Keeper receipts, you're going to need to set up your forwarding email. This is an email that's controlled by you that forwards all incoming messages to Keeper. The great thing about setting up your email this way is your clients only ever need to remember one email, the forwarding email. From there, based on their email, we'll automatically route any documents they send to the right client in Keeper. The other great thing about using a forwarding email is it keeps your receipts experience completely custom branded, just like your client portal. In this video, we're going to walk you through everything you need to do to set up your forwarding email for Keeper receipts. To start, create a new email that you want to use as your forwarding email. In our example, we're going to be using docs@mypracticename.com, and we recommend choosing something generic like docs@ or receipts@ that's easy for your clients to remember. Once you've created that, go ahead and add it to your practice settings in Keeper. Once you save your forwarding email in Keeper, we'll send you a verification link to ensure you actually control the inbox. Once you verify your email, we recommend going back to your practice settings in Keeper to make sure that it's actually verified. You should see a green checkbox right here to indicate that the verification was complete. Once we've done that, we're ready to finish the setup by setting up auto forwarding inside of our email. Go to your settings, and then go to the forwarding and POP/IMAP settings. From here, the last thing we need to do is add a forwarding address. Here, you should enter receipts at receipts.keeper.app, and then click Next. This is going to send a confirmation link to receipts at receipts.keeper.app, but don't worry, we'll automatically click this for you, so there's nothing else you need to do here. Just wait a few seconds and then refresh the page. Lastly, you should now see a new option to forward a copy of incoming mail to receipts@keeper.app. Go ahead and toggle that setting on, and then click Save. And that's it. We've set up our forwarding email. Lastly, let's go ahead and give this one more test just to make sure everything's working properly. To do that, I'm going to send an email from ben@keeper.app. This email is the contact for DemoCo. So when I send an email from ben@keeper.app, it should automatically route that document into DemoCo. So here we've got an invoice from Figma. And let's go ahead and send that to docs@mypractice. Now let's go back to Keeper and verify that document is in DemoCo. All of your transaction documents live in your client uploads inbox. And since we have auto scanning enabled, that should just be here in our transaction files. And it looks like that is right here. And actually, since we have a rule set up to process Figma transactions, everything is actually auto-populated. So we can go ahead and just post the transaction. All right. And that is officially all there is to it. Thanks for watching.